Okay, so it's 7 and we decided to go and grab dinner. And I found this place on Instagram
What's
through
it called?
original pad something.
God knows how to pronounce these
No,
things.
it's
Yeah.
original pad thai original pad
Okay, whatever.
crow. I don't know what it is. Just check.
Original Pat Crow
Crab
Pao.
pow, something like that.
Krapao.
Yeah, it's
1993.
yeah. So it's like a 30-minute walk, but then we didn't want to walk all the way.
Yeah.
So we thought we'll take the what? What's it called?
Subway.
Yeah, the subway. It's like a cute small train. So yeah, we thought we'll take it there and then jump off to the station where it's like closer to the restaurant. So it's our first time traveling the subway. So let's see how it is. So we are here and it's a 5-minute walk, I guess, from like the place where we're staying. And it's a lot of stairs. How do I turn this camera? Oh, you go.
Oh, I'm tired here.
Check this out. Oh my god, they should keep some escalator. Ah,
That's what they said.
that's why they're thin. Are you?
There was elevator.
Where? Damn it. Why? Why don't we read?
Because
Oh.
everything is mentioned in high.
Their tickets. Oh, there. Oh wow. This looks crazy.
From there, I think you should buy.
No, here, read the board first line. Okay, check the picture. Where do we want to go?
Where is that?
That station. No, this is the area map. Golden line.
Wrong way.
I can't see.
Wrong way.
Where are we? Okay, we are here. We are here.
Wrong way. Here.
So how do we go there?
This station.
What?
Or is it from here?
No durians. 1 second. Woohoo! Okay, so we just found out that we have to interchange. She said something, right? I didn't understand. She said we have to get down at
That Kong something, no?
Klong San
Yeah.
Pier. Isn't it the other side? Damn, like the stations here are like pretty confusing. So we asked the what's that ticket lady to guide us. But actually I think it came to 32 baht for us.
Yeah.
So it's like 60 baht I think. Then the total fare if we go again and we have to like shift. Oh wow.
Yeah, right. Oh god. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Big time.
Oh wow.
Wait, that is not on time.
He's so cute, yeah.
This is there.
Man.
I think this is.
This is platform 1. So the next station we have to get down at.
Yeah.
Okay, we wait. Because it's so cute.
Does
But,
this have like
and then like they covered everything for security purposes. Eh? My money.
from where did you go?
I don't know, it fell for my bag. Check if it's.
Yeah, it's open. I think it's this Krungtong Guri. Huh?
What?
Krung E1.
Babe, where are we? Are we on the right platform?
Yeah.
Huh? I have no idea where we are. Yeah, next station is Klong San. It's written
There
there.
only, right? You have to get down.
I don't know, she told you.
Because
And look at this,
on
so
the-
cute.
in the map
It's transparent. And then,
Hey, map also same. See, Klong Song is written.
yeah. And we have to interchange them. Oh my god, this
That
is
is different.
so clean. Like, just look at it.
It's like
You could sit on the floor.
but thank
Not
God it's
literally.
empty.
And it's, yeah, so this is called the BTS. And the other one, the train is the MRT. Right? The MRT. And this is the BTS line. Oh, we are going. Whoa. This is just like the main line, I think, the golden. Whoa. Okay, this looks. Man, this feels scary. Yeah, man? This feels scary. It's like shaking so much. My god.
Why is it shaking? That time lapse.
We are reaching, I think.
It seems like it is.
Those will open on the opposite side. It's written this side, yeah. Okay, I think we reached. There you go, there. That's our station.
So.
This is a cute ride, no?
Yeah.
But it covered, huh? This is like a way to like avoid traffic and reach faster.
Now what do you have?
We'll go on the lift, babe. Think. Oh, you have to put it inside. And then we have to buy a ticket again to go somewhere else. Check, no? Next. We reached the wrong station, so we're going back again.
It is bound to happen, so it's not like we travel here.
Stop. Yeah, because some people can't name wrong flung and in his mind.
Name no? What is the station? Tell me. Klongyong. It's where we went. Klongsung. Here it is. Klongsung we came. What is the name that we have to go to?
Wingwon.
It's not Wingwong. Now we have to go to some other. It's Koribang something.
I just want this Wong Dian. We have to go to. So yeah, we came to the right station where we have to interchange, and apparently that's just the golden line, and we have to come to another like station, and then which is called the BTS Sky Train. So let's see how this goes. We'll go and buy a ticket. Very crowded.
Hey, look at that. Satikor Bar.
I don't want to be kicked out because of food.
First of all, she can't even hear.
Thank you. Just take the conversation.
Put it inside.
So we have to go to platform 3, that is the Bangwa of
Bang.
Bangwa.
To bang, wow.
Yeah, because somebody doesn't read instructions. So,
It's faster.
whoa. Dude, that BTS train was so
Bang,
scary. It's like this Indian railway, but it was shaking so much. And it's like if you like, it just falls off the cliff, you'll fall from like a height. And then you're like dead. It's shaky. Very cute, very clean. Okay. Ooh, this is bigger.
Yeah, because this is longer, you know.
Ooh.
Stand behind the yellow line. Just down.
This is like bigger.
This is the actual railway station.
Yeah, this is nice. Whoa. Oh my god, it's crowded, babe. It's crowded. Lucky for us, we are getting down at the next station. Oh man, the AC feels so good on you.
Sitting here.
What happened?
This one.
Hooray. You're crazy.
Grudge, you saw Grudge. Just see.
Okay, we finally reached our station, and before we could reach, he's asking me, oh, is this the station? See, I told you, why can't you remember things?
Oh, please.
You're like, I say no, that's not the station. The station is somewhere else.
You never go in and out anyway. You just
I
say,
was a-
go ask that. I'm too shy.
Which is the exit? 3 and 4. I'll go find my way. I'll see you at that place. You come alone.
Yeah. Give me the bag.
I don't have money then.
Yeah.
You keep 1,000. Sorry, you keep 20 baht. I'll keep the rest. So where to put our cards?
That side now.
Which side?
That side.
You're checking the location. Do that at least. Don't. Ooh. Which side way to go? Left or right?
That side.
I hope you're right.
I'm always right.
Yeah. If you can't, you found the restaurant, right? Okay, we're going to the lift and we're to get down there. Ooh, check this out. Great. Good job. See, I was right. I found it through the maps as to how you can come here. And it was like, total would have come to how much? 60 to 70 rupees just to reach here. Whereas, how much was the Grab charging us?
You check how much?
I forgot.
Yeah, exactly. So someone should return. Bath also should come.
No, I don't remember how much the Grab was. The walk. Oh, 7-Eleven. Hello. Go. So much of street food, like. Look at the ambience. I'm gonna get this, the Thai fried rice with an egg and obviously the iced chai. And look at this, they have like no chili levels of the spice. That's so nice. Which level are you taking?
No chili.
No chili? Okay, let's order. So I'm obviously taking the Thai iced tea. Can never go wrong. This is my third or fourth. Third. What have you taken?
Pink.
Pink milk. That's something new. How is it? Yum, right? It's too good.
So refreshing.
This is here. What did you order with? This is beef
Beef.
and the Thai fried egg and with rice, and they always give a little soup at the side, which is amazing. This looks yum. Taste. Go for it. My Thai basil fried rice is ready. It smells divine. And the soup, obviously. I'm gonna taste mine. Yum. We're gonna eat so
So good.
They put a lot of like chicken in mine as well.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, there's like so much, the quantity of chicken. Good, man. And it's not that expensive, it's like really affordable.
I'll take this pasta. Heaven.
See? I found this place. We paid like, what is 650 rupees? We just paid 650 Indian rupee for all of that.
650 for that amazing meal challenge.
Yeah, it was like real good. Like, street food is cheap. You just have to like have the patience. Finally, it started raining and we're going to book a Grab and go home, not the train.
Yes.
It's the same cost for us apparently. So yeah, see you in the next vlog, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Stay tuned for
And
more
we'll know
Bangkok.
more insights about Bangalore and upcoming.
Yeah, until then, see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.